Ever wondered if there's a magical money machine out there, quietly working to grow your wealth while you sip your morning coffee? A machine that knows all the market secrets, picks the perfect stocks, and handles all the confusing bits of investing? If you've been exploring the world of personal finance, you've likely come across names like Spaceship, and perhaps a question popped into your head: does Spaceship invest for you? It's a fantastic question, and one that gets right to the heart of what many people seek when they consider investing: simplicity and expertise. The allure of someone else managing your money, especially when you're just starting or feel overwhelmed by financial jargon, is incredibly strong. So, let's unpack this. Spaceship, at its core, is a technology-driven investment platform. They aim to make investing accessible and understandable, particularly for a younger generation. They offer a range of investment options, primarily through their Voyager and Universe portfolios, and more recently, their Earth portfolio. These are essentially diversified portfolios of stocks and other assets, curated around specific themes or strategies. Now, here's where the Invest for You part comes into play. When you put your money into a Spaceship portfolio, you're not handpicking individual stocks yourself. Instead, you're investing in a pre-constructed portfolio that Spaceship's investment team has designed and manages. Think of it like a carefully prepared meal. You don't buy all the ingredients and cook them yourself. You simply choose the meal, and the chefs at Spaceship have already put it together with their expertise. This means that, yes, in a sense, Spaceship does invest for you by selecting and managing the underlying assets within their portfolios. They handle the research, the buying, and the selling to maintain the portfolio's allocation and strategy. They also rebalance these portfolios periodically, ensuring they stay aligned with their stated objectives. For example, the Universe portfolio focuses on global companies shaping the future, while Earth leans into sustainable and ethical investments. Spaceship's team identifies and tracks companies that fit these criteria, making decisions on your behalf within the confines of that specific portfolio. However, it's crucial to understand that investing for you doesn't mean it's completely hands-off in terms of your involvement. You still decide which Spaceship portfolio to invest in, based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and personal values. You also decide how much to invest and when to invest. Spaceship provides the vehicle and the driving, but you're still the one choosing the destination and fueling the journey. They empower you with curated options, but the ultimate decision to participate and the ongoing commitment remain yours. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.